Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Today we will explain about our digital electronic mini project, which is the name of our project is Solar Storage Warning System.
First of all, I would like to present about abstract. This project is a carry out to try to link battery level indicator with solar system storage. This project is a warning system to the home solar system. This project allows users to be more alert and aware to the system that has been installed in their home. And this also extends the life of the battery and the system directly. In addition, this project also has a special feature that it has an indicator to show the level of power in the battery. It works by using a port which is segment display, symbolizing every 10% on one bar. Next, we move to introduction to solar system storage. What is it? Solar system storage is a device that has reserved energy for the later consumption that is charged by a connected solar system. The stored electricity is consumed after sundown, during energy demand peaks, or during a power outage. This means, in practical terms, is that home with solar plus storage can store excess solar power on site for use later when the sun isn't shining. As a bonus, since solar storage system at your home, they also offer short-term backup power in the event that there's a power outage in your area. And most common, we can see this device at residential or commercial build. Next, introduction to battery level indicator. Battery level indicator is a device that can know the amount of energy left in the battery compared with the energy it had when it was full, and give the user an indication of how much the longer battery will continue to perform before it needs to recharge. This would be easy if the battery could be discharged at a constant rate. In a simple way that everyone will understand, battery level indicator will let you know the status of battery just by glowing the numbers of LED. For example, if the 4 LED are glowing, that means the capacity of the battery is 40%. Here there are 3 main objectives that we focus to achieve in this project. First, to be a system that can give benefit to user in the organization or other personal use. Second, using multimedia software to create project simulation submission that can improve project functionality accurately. And third and lastly, can make an improvement to the existing system. Okay, that's all from me for now. We move to other presenter.
Next, as we can see here, this is a solar storage warning system circuit design that have been drawn in Multisim.
About what software that we use and what component that we use in our project. So from the previous slide, we can see that Mariam has shown us the circuit of our project, which is the name of our project is Solar Storage Warning System. So from the circuit, we can see our main component in our project is LM3914IC that used to display the LED. And the second one is control IC N740 to get the output for the buzzer. So for the software, we use National Institute NI Multisim software to draw our circuit and our logic circuit.
For the truth table, we have prepared 3 truth tables. First for the lamp, and second for the buzzer, and third for the combination of the lamp and buzzer. Okay, all the truth table have 3 input, which is A, B, and C. A for 30% current supply, B for 60%, and C for 90% current supply. Okay, in this project, when the current less or equal to 30%, the current supply, so the lamp will not turn on. Okay, we go first for the first truth table. That's for the lamp. The output X is 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, the first 0 in the output is when all the input is 0. That means no current supply, so that's why our output is also 0. That means the lamp will not switch on. Okay, for the second 0 in our output is when only 30% current supply. That is not enough for the lamp to turn on, so that's why the output is 0. That means the lamp will not switch on. Okay, for the second truth table, we got the output y is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. The third truth table, in this truth table we have two output, which is X for the lamp and Y for the buzzer. Okay, for the equation of the truth table, we take the equation from the buzzer truth table because this buzzer is as the sensor for the solar system. We want to know the result, the sensor result. So we got the equation is A prime B prime C prime plus A B prime C prime.
This slide shows the logic circuit of solar storage warning system that only put probe in this logic circuit. This logic circuit with probe was the result from truth table of lamp and came out from Boolean expression of truth table of lamp. After that, this is the logic circuit with probe and buzzer. In this multisim, we can see how the buzzer works, so that we change buzzer into another probe but a different one, which is the red color. This logic circuit was the result from the combination truth table with lamp and buzzer.
Now I will explain about how to simplify the equation from the truth table. In our project, we use two ways to simplify the equation from the truth table. The first way is by using the Boolean theorem, and the second way is using K-map. So how to simplify using these two methods? Let's check it out. So the first way that we use to simplify the equation from the truth table is by using Boolean theorem. So the equation that we have from the truth table is A prime B prime C prime plus A B prime C prime. So when A prime plus with A, it will become 1. B prime plus B prime, it will become B prime. C prime plus C prime, it will become C prime. So the equation that we get now is 1 B prime C prime. So to get the last equation, we have to ignore the 1 and the equation will become B prime C prime. So for our second way to simplify the equation from the truth table, we use Knot map or K-map. So as we can see from the slide, there's the table of the K-map. And how to get the equation is by plus the input 0 0 0 and 1 0 0, and we will get when the number 0 and 1 is changed, so we have to ignore it. So the left is 0 0, 0 plus 0 and 0 plus 0, which is B prime C prime. So that the equation for the Knot map is B prime C prime. Therefore, the equation for our project, simplified equation for our project is B prime and C prime. So next, after we get the simplified equation, we can get the simplify of the logic circuit. As we can see from the picture on the slide, we have simplified the logic circuit for the buzzer, which is in the multisim, we cannot use buzzer because it will not produce sound, so we change it to, we use probe or in the picture LED2.
Hello. For this part of the video, I'll be discussing about the advantages and the disadvantages of this project, as well as the summary. There are 4 advantages to this project. The first advantage would be it prolongs the life of the solar system by alerting the user as soon as the fault is made, which protects it from making further damage into the system. The second advantage keeps the system monitored and maintained. This happens by alerting the user on every single fault. It helps to keep the system well maintained and monitored while operating. The third advantage would be it helps ease the troubleshooting process when doing maintenance by notifying the issue in hand. The fourth and final advantage would be it allows the user to see the power stored inside the system itself. This would help the user to see the state of the system itself. There are a few disadvantages to this project. The first disadvantage would be it's a very techy design, in which I mean it uses big components. The second disadvantage would be it's not waterproof, so it cannot be stored or be exposed to the weather. And the third disadvantage would be it cannot alert the user remotely because of the implementation of a buzzer. To summarize, this mini project is applied within an operating home solar system and functions as a warning system. This project uses an LM3914 IC as a driver and a control IC, an N7404, along with a few resistors and a bunch of LEDs for indication. A buzzer is used for alerting the user of faults in the system. It is applied in the power storage part of the system, and this project extends the lifespan of the solar system exponentially, all while it is operating.
Hi, again with me. Okay, as a conclusion, this project has successfully achieved all the objectives and successfully submitted in a given time. We hope that this system is stable and the result obtained from this research can meet the needs of all users. Finally, we hope this product can be fully commercialized in the market on the improvement of a battery level indicator to higher level. Okay, that's all from me and my team members. I will end this video presentation here. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. And don't forget to stay safe and stay at home. Bye!